Good morning. The height of the bar at the rack should be a bit lower than your shoulders. Squeeze your shoulders back and place the bar on your traps. Breathe in and then unrack the bar. Take a few steps back, placing your feet around shoulder width apart or slightly wider, and then take another breath in through your stomach. Perform a hip hinge by bringing your hips back and bending at the knees slightly. Keep your back perfectly straight during the lift and your weight at the center of your feet. If performed correctly, you should feel a big stretch in your hamstrings and glutes. Control the whole movement in order to minimize the chances for injury. Get back up to the starting position and reset your breath.